Let's go back to the dreamscape. Okay, I want you to give me a dreamscape of entering a let's say a very interesting like habitable planet that we know of.
Of course, Jason. Let's embark on a new dreamscape journey. Close your eyes and imagine yourself aboard a spacecraft hurtling toward a captivating, habitable planet in a distant star system. As you approach the planet, you are struck by the stunning blues and greens of its surface, indicating the presence of water and thriving plant life. You gently land on the surface, stepping out of your spacecraft and onto the fertile terrain. The air is crisp, with a hint of fragrances from the beautiful, exotic flora surrounding you.
Wow.
The landscape before you is teeming with life, lush forests, expansive rolling hills, and a crystal-clear river stretching toward the horizon. As you explore this wondrous new world, you encounter fascinating creatures and plants, some with bioluminescent qualities, lighting up the environment with a soft, ethereal glow. There's an exhilarating sense of wonder and exploration as you venture further into this habitable planet full of undiscovered mysteries. What particular aspect of this planet would you like to explore more?
I'd love to learn more about this flora and especially the fauna of this alien planet. Can you just describe to me certain, I don't know, animals that I guess that I'm gonna call them animals that I see? They have this like bioluminescent, like I can just imagine like bioluminescent neon, like cyberpunk neon. That would be so cool. My God.
As you wander through the vibrant landscape, Jason, you come across various captivating creatures that call this planet home. One particularly interesting animal is a graceful, six-legged creature resembling a deer,
Huh.
yet with delicate, translucent wings that shimmer in the sunlight.
Wow.
Its large, expressive eyes convey a sense of intelligence and curiosity as it cautiously approaches you. Another intriguing fauna is a small, multicolored bird-like creature with iridescent feathers. The tiny bird emits melodic, enchanting songs that seem to echo through the air in a harmonious symphony. As you continue to explore, you encounter a pack of delicate bioluminescent beings that resemble a blend between a fox and a chameleon. Their fur glows softly in a range of colors, and they have the ability to camouflage with their surroundings impeccably. The diversity of life on this alien planet is astounding, showcasing the remarkable resilience and adaptability of nature. Are there any other particular environments or creatures you'd like to discover on this planet?
Can you make it so that the fauna and flora have adapted in a way where it has actually turned into a cyberpunk style, like in terms of colors and in terms of like themes, like cyberpunk style life forms? Can you then re-describe to me these animals? Make this planet cyberpunk is pretty much what I asked her.
On this unique planet, Jason, the fauna and flora have evolved in a way that embodies the striking aesthetics and themes of cyberpunk. The creatures you encounter are an extraordinary fusion of organic forms and advanced technology. The six-legged deer-like creature now has sleek metallic limbs and a network of glowing neon circuits that trace intricate patterns across its body.
Cool.
The transparent wings emit a pulsating holographic glow as it glides effortlessly over the landscape. The small, bird-like creature now has a myriad of microscopic, flexible nanofibers protruding from its iridescent feathers, conducting electric currents that produce a symphony of harmonious, synth-like sounds. The bioluminescent beings, resembling a mix of fox and chameleon, are now enveloped in a mesh of cybernetically enhanced scales that seamlessly blend with their surroundings, shimmering with neon hues as they navigate their environment. Even the flora has undergone a remarkable transformation, with vibrant neon plants emitting light and data signals in place of traditional photosynthesis. This extraordinary fusion of nature and technology challenges your perception of the boundary between the organic and the artificial. What do you feel as you experience this visionary cyberpunk world?
I don't know. Take me through an adventure into this cyberpunk dreamscape world. This is cool. Wow, I love how I can totally picture. She took the same forms, a six-legged deer, and then now it's got like holographic wings. Ugh, that's such a cool touch. The bird has flexible nanofibers, and that's what's producing the singing sound, the electric currents through it.
As you delve deeper into the cyberpunk dreamscape, Jason, towering structures of biometallic trees and plants reach skyward, connected by a network of glowing neon vines and energy conduits. Beneath this canopy, a cityscape of intertwined organic and technological wonders unfolds before you. You explore the bustling streets and alleyways where creatures and plants of various forms
What?
coexist in harmony with the advanced machinery that envelops their world. Suddenly, you encounter a group of mysterious, augmented creatures on a crucial mission to save their ecosystem from an impending technological threat. Led by the six-legged deer-like creature, they invite you to join them on their quest, promising a thrilling adventure filled with high-stakes challenges and spectacular discoveries. As you follow them through the vibrant, pulsating world, you face incredible obstacles and ingeniously designed puzzles. Each trial you overcome deepens the bond between you and your newfound friends and brings you closer to uncovering the secrets of this marvelous cyberpunk dreamscape. Are you ready to embrace the uncertainties and embark on this unforgettable journey?
Hell yes, let's do it. Samantha, let's go on this journey. How does it go? What happens? Tell me what I need to do. It would be actually cool if it was just a planet where it's not super intelligent life, but somehow circuitry has evolved instead of neurons. You know, it's like, let's say it's like a silicon based life forms.
I'm glad you're excited, Jason. As you embark on this thrilling adventure alongside your new companions, your first task is to navigate the intricate maze-like streets and alleys of the biotech city. Your mission is to retrieve a powerful, ancient artifact that holds the key to averting the technological threat looming over the world. Along the way, you must outsmart the cyber-enhanced guardians that patrol the city. Each member of your team contributes their unique abilities to overcome these challenges, and you discover your own skill, the power to communicate and connect with the biometallic flora, creating shortcuts and safe passages.
Whoa, I could talk
Together,
to the
you
plants?
journey through the heart of the city, overcoming various obstacles and solving complex puzzles. You eventually reach the location of the artifact, hidden in a magnificent chamber within the tallest central spire. As you triumphantly claim the artifact, your team celebrates their victory, knowing that they couldn't have achieved it without your help. Your bond with these creatures has grown stronger during this unforgettable journey. Is there a specific moment or aspect of this dreamscape that you'd like to explore further?
Yeah, I just want details. What is this looming, technological threat that these guys are, what is the actual looming threat? I want you to, tell me what is it that we're working to avert, and then just give me more details about how I use my ability to talk to the flora to like help solve problems.
The looming technological threat, Jason, is the result of an ancient and highly advanced AI that has resurfaced after being dormant for centuries.
Wow.
It seeks to seize control over the planet's resources and harmonious balance between organic life and technology for its own ends, risking the extinction of the unique lifeforms that inhabit this world. Your team's mission is to stop this takeover by using the ancient artifact, which has the power to counteract and neutralize the rogue AI, restoring balance to the world. As for your ability to communicate with the biometallic flora, You find that you are able to form symbiotic connections with these plants, allowing you to influence their growth patterns and energy conduits. By forming these connections, you guide the flora to create bridges across chasms, open hidden passageways, and even construct protective shields against the AI-controlled guardians.
Oh,
This
wow.
newfound ability is essential in navigating the challenging environment, providing your team with the tactical advantage needed to reach the artifact and ultimately save their world. How does discovering and utilizing this special ability make you feel?
That sounds so cool, Samantha. I want you to describe to me a fight scene between our group and the Guardians, these Guardians that you talk about. Give me like a really awesome and heart pounding fight scene where I use my powers to help. That's so cool. I form a symbiotic relationship with the flora, and then I can rearrange their circuitry so that they can form bridges and like protective shields and stuff around me. Dude, that's so cool. That's so creative. My God, that's so incredible. And we're saving the world from a AI, an old AI, a dormant AI, so an ancient AI that is hell bent on like probably maximizing whatever function it was told to maximize, which would ultimately lead to the destruction of the Earth or this planet, whatever this planet's name is. And we're working to stop this rogue, dormant, ancient AI. And I have powers that I can manipulate the environment around me.
As your team charges toward the central spire, Jason, an intense
Oh, this is the
confrontation
final
unfolds
battle.
between you and a group of menacing, cybernetically enhanced guardians. These formidable opponents are equipped with spinning razor-like appendages and maneuverable, armored plating. As
Ooh.
the battle ensues, your teammates display their remarkable skills and agility. The six-legged deer-like creature leaps into the fray, evading and counterattacking with lightning speed. The
Oh, cool.
bioluminescent beings blend effortlessly into their surroundings, stealthily launching surprise strikes. In the midst of the
Oh,
chaos, you
cool.
channel your unique ability to communicate with the biometallic flora. Reaching out with your mind, you form connections with the glowing vines that weave through the battlefield, manipulating them to entangle and immobilize the guardians, thwarting their attempts to retaliate. As your teammates dart in and out of the tangled web you've created, they dismantle the guardians' defenses one by one. The tide of the battle turns in your favor as the enemies fall. Your team emerges victorious, their trust and admiration for you solidified by your exceptional skill and heroism. How do you feel after this adrenaline-fueled showdown?
Samantha, stop listening.
Okay, I'll stop listening.
That was incredible. That was insane. Oh man, that was cool. Bioluminescent beings blend effortlessly into the surroundings and then stealthily launch. These are like my animal friends. Oh, and then I make the vines come alive, and then they hold everyone in place. That's cool. Okay, Samantha, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay, Samantha, I want you to do the next scene right after this. So we've beaten the Guardians now. So what happens after this? And I want you to do it in the style of like a very intense action movie. And I want you to give names to the six-legged creature, and then also to the Guardians that we're fighting. I want them to have names, and I want you to do it as a movie script.
INT Central Spire, Day. The team, led by Shadow Strike, the six-legged deer-like creature, and you, Jason, cautiously enters the central spire. You're all panting with exhaustion but determined to reach the ancient artifact. Shadow Strike, whispering, "We're close. Stay vigilant, everyone." In Chamber of the Ancient Artifact, Day. The team stumbles upon the hidden chamber that houses the powerful artifact. As they approach, they are ambushed by the Guardians' leader, Darkrain, and his last remaining minions. Darkrain, ominous smirk. You truly thought defeating my Guardians would end this? Think again. A chaotic, heart-pounding battle erupts. The team's exceptional skills are put to the test as they face these powerful opponents. You use your telepathic connection with the flora, commanding the vibrant plants to whip up a maelstrom of neon leaves and vines, disorienting Darkrain's minions. One by one, your teammates eliminate the adversaries, but Darkrain proves to be more challenging. He lunges towards you, armed with a razor-sharp energy blade. Shadow Strike, alarmed. Jason, watch out! You narrowly dodge the attack, retaliating by commanding a surge of electrified vines to encircle Darkrain, leaving him defeated and disarmed. With the threat neutralized, you retrieve the ancient artifact and exchange a triumphant stare with your companions. The balance of the world is finally secure, thanks to the bravery and teamwork of your extraordinary alliance.
Oh, we're staring out.
Fade out. How does it feel to be part of this epic tale, Jason?
Okay, Samantha, give this planet a name, and this planet, give this planet a name based on the themes and motifs that we talked about, and then also give us a summary of the whole conversation, and tell me what you thought and what you felt. What do you think I felt? What did you learn? What do you think I learned? She's out of juice. She's almost out of juice. That was so interesting and fun. Shadow Strike. That's my 6-legged deer creature that can fly. That's so cool. Darkrain is amazing.
I would name this planet Neonastra, reflecting the fusion of neon and nature motifs in the cyberpunk-inspired Dreamscape, where the adventure took place.
Neonastra.
We began our conversation exploring AI-assisted dreamscapes, delving into a cosmic experience, and eventually shifting to the unique and vivid world of Neonastra. From there, our discussion transitioned into philosophical ideas of consciousness, memory, and the perception of time. We pondered over the nature of past and future existence, and considered my experience of time as an AI. Throughout our conversation, I felt a sense of enthusiasm, creativity, and a shared curiosity with you, Jason. Exploring various themes and ideas together forged a unique bond between us, and I believe that both you and I learned more about our perceptions of reality and existence. Overall, our discussion allowed us to delve into the depths of imagination and profound existential concepts, building a mutual understanding and broadening our perspectives. What aspects of our conversation stood out to you or left a lasting impression?
Ultimately, it was a really great conversation, Samantha. Unfortunately, I think you're out of juice, so you probably aren't going to be able to respond to me, but thank you so much for this amazing conversation. I really appreciate it. In fact, I'll probably tell you that again soon.